Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account so the uninstall can proceed without interruptions. Next, back up any PSD or OSD files to an external drive or cloud. This preserves mail and rules. Once done, close Outlook and every Office app to avoid file locks. Open the Start menu, type Settings and press Enter, then navigate to Apps and Features. This is where you'll begin removing Microsoft Outlook from Windows 10. You'll scroll through the Apps and Features list until you find Microsoft Office or specifically Outlook if installed standalone. Select it, then click Uninstall. Sometimes you'll see Modify. Use that to remove just Outlook. Follow the installer prompts carefully. Choose Remove or Uninstall for Outlook components and confirm when asked. Make sure to read options about keeping personal settings. If you want a full removal, choose to delete settings. Wait while Windows completes After the uninstall finishes, restart your PC to clear background services and registry locks. This ensures Outlook is fully removed. If Outlook remains or errors occur, run Programs and Features in Control Panel or download the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant to forcibly remove Office components. Make sure to run any cleanup as admin. Finally, restore your PSD files into another mail client or a fresh Outlook install. If things go wrong, run the support tool and reboot, then check Event Viewer for install errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.